Hey guys, we're gonna do a 3-minute graft. We're gonna see if we can graft this mango. This is a sugarloaf mango. We're gonna graft it onto my cherry mango, and we're gonna see if we can do it in 3 minutes. So I have the scion here. I'm taking off all the leaves. This is what the scion looks like. We're gonna try to knock this out in 3 minutes. Got everything in my pocket here that I need. Got my buddy tape. We're gonna wrap this up. In 3 minutes, we're gonna try to find the branch that we wanna graft this onto. And this is a cherry mango, which is a descendant of a Julie mango. It is the granddaughter of a Julie mango. It is a seedling of a Julie mango. And we're gonna put a little bit of sugarloaf onto it. Sugarloaf is a very premium mango. If I see a branch here, it's got a little bit of growth. So we are gonna snip that off right there. Let's see if we match up. We match up pretty good. And we're gonna get our grafting knife out. This would be a lot easier if I had everything out at once. But we're gonna try to do a 3-minute graft. We'll see if I can get it done in 3 minutes. So we're gonna cut a wedge. And we wanna cut a wedge that we're not taking a million strokes to do. We wanna cut a relatively clean, easy wedge. It's not bad. Don't rush it, Dre, don't rush it. We got a lot of time. Got 3 minutes to do this, right? All right, so here we go. We're gonna make a wedge. We're gonna make a groove in our recipient branch, somewhere close to the middle. And we're gonna put our scion in there. And we're doing a 3-minute graft. So let's see if we can get this done in 3 minutes. I'm gonna drop that on the ground. Now, you can use string. I like to use this grafting tape here. This is the cheaper grafting tape that doesn't really allow the leaves to grow through, but you can use it as sort of like a binder or like a rope. So I wanna make sure that our cambiums are touching between our scion and our recipient branch, and the cambium is the layer right underneath the bark. So that's why I want these two things to be the same size so that the cambiums will line up perfectly on both sides. Now, if your two branches are not the same size, then you've got to pick a side. You can't have the cambium line up on both sides if they're not the same size. So pick a side and put it on one side or the other. Don't try to put it in the middle, because then neither of your cambiums will line up and then your graft will fail. The number one reason why grafts fail is because they are not lined up with the cambiums. The number two reason they fail is because they dry out. So don't put your grafts in the sun. I'm doing this branch here because it's in the shade, and I know that this is gonna stay pretty moist and it's not gonna get dried out. So I think we did it in 3 minutes. That's it. All right, for more tips, follow me. See you guys, bye.